Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Mangwabe's family missing from Musa Mseleko's 50th birthday program. A viewer recently shared a screenshot of an event program, a document outlining the order of the proceedings and listening key participants, including family members of Musam's wife, who were said to speak. Notably, the families of all the sister wives were featured on this program, except for that of Mbali Mangwabe Mseleko. What makes this omission particularly striking is that Mangwabe herself organized the event, raising questions about why her own family was absent from the lineup. Musa's milestone birthday offered a fresh opportunity to observe these relationships in action. The program intended as a roadmap for the celebration became a vocal point where viewers noticed the exclusion of Mangwabe's family. Given her role as an event organizer, one might expect her to have ensured her relatives are included. If intentionally, it could signal a desire to distance herself from the family narrative Musa. In my view, this incident underscores the complexity of polygamous relationships. Mangwabe's exclusion of her family might hint at a shift in her commitment, or it could be an overanalyzed detail in a show that thrives on drama. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now until we meet in my next video.